welcome back to my channel. We are continuing my decluttering makeup series here, so if you want to see more decluttering videos, then please keep watching. The long-awaited cream glitter eyeshadow video. I have to say, my number one vice when it comes to makeup is palettes. I can't resist them. My second has to be glitter cream eyeshadows, which is kind of crazy for me to have this many when these have really not been on the market for a long time. It's definitely just been the last few years, I would say, that these have really kind of gotten so popular, and my collection of these are out of control, but I don't know how or if I will be able to declutter many of these. So I just want to give you that very fair warning. This might be a collection video and not a declutter. I will go through, see what I have, because this is going to be rough. You might be saying, I'm sure you've got the same color in there like 15 times over, and I'm here saying you're probably right. But am I going to be able to get rid of them? Probably not. So yeah, let's just start going through these because I've got way too many. Alright, have you ever seen more glitter cream eyeshadows in one spot at once? So honestly, I do have a problem. These, I love these. I love these. So it's going to be extremely hard for me to get rid of any of these. So the best way for me to evaluate these is going to be to categorize these by brand and product, and we're going to go from there. So right now, I'm just going to organize. I have organized these to the best of my ability. You can't even see quite everything that I have, but yeah, I have a lot. To be completely honest, there's probably only going to be a few of these I will be able to part with unless they are dried up and just unusable. So it's gonna be a little hard. Okay, so the first ones I know I'm going to keep because they are like brand new to me is all of these e.l.f. ones here. They had a sale on their website not too long ago, and they had a whole vault of these. I think one of them, I think this one, I actually already owned. Let me see if I have a duplicate of this one or not. So I do have two of this color. It's called Flirty Birdie. I will let the brand new one go because obviously I have not used it, but I will be keeping the older one here, and all of those will be staying. So those are going back into my little container here. And like I said, this is gonna be hard. So if you're here for a decluttering, this might just be a collection video. So if I had to take a stab in the dark and I had to pick one I think I would let go, it would probably be this one. This one was from a Korean brand called Rira or Rear, I don't know. This one's in the color Nude Glam. It's a really pretty one, but it's not quite as like pretty as the other ones. Like this one's more of like a shimmer kind of finish one, I would say. It's not quite like a glitter one like more of these are. So that one, I feel like I could let that one go, and I want to keep all the rest. No, seriously though, this is actually a very hard. Some other ones I don't think I would be able to part with at all would be the Stila ones that I have here. I have quite a few of these. They're all gorgeous. I love them all. They are a few different like finishes, I would say. This one, the orange bronzy caps are the shimmer and glows. I have three different colors of these. I have Vivid Labradorite is this dark blackish kind of color here. Then I have Vivid Smoky Quartz, which is this like kind of bronzy color, and then I have this one called Freedom. These are just so pretty. I'm not gonna like swatch everything, but I'm probably gonna need to swatch a lot of things. And again, these are more of like the shimmer kind of ones. They're not like glittery. I mean, they might have a little bit of sparkle to them, but so I have three of those. Very, very pretty. I honestly can't let them go. And these are like kind of like magical, I would have to say. These ones are the actual glitter and glow. I think they're all the glitter and glow. I think these two might technically be different, but these are all the glitter and glows. I have the color Sunset Cave. This one's just like, I don't even know if the camera's doing any of these justice because these are like duochrome beautiful. This one's called Opal Ice. This one is called Siren or Sea Siren. This one of my favorites, this one's called Smoky Storm, and then this one is called Lilac Ice. I promise I'm not going to swatch every single thing, but these kind of like, they kind of just deserve it. They're so beautiful. They kind of need to be swatched. And these are just like, they're so gorgeous. They're kind of more of like, where those are like more base color to them, these more are like kind of toppers and stuff. They're just like so beautiful. I could do this all day. We are definitely going to run out of room on my hand very quickly, so I won't swatch everything. This one's technically one of their Magnificent Metal ones. It's called the Glitter and Glow one, but that one like totally gorgeous glitter. And then these two I will swatch real quick. These were part of their like White Lies collection, so I think that these are kind of more of like that duochrome kind of finish, and they kind of like change colors. It's just, they're gorgeous. So if you're expecting me to get rid of things that look similar, that's just not happening. That's just not happening. Does it look very similar to the one right next to it? Absolutely. Am I keeping them both? Absolutely. So that one was called Lilac Legend, and this one is called Fuchsia Fiction. Do I need both? No. Am I keeping both? Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna start moving things up. This one is from a brand called Tony Moly. This is called their Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow Mark. This one was in, this one's called Mystery, I think. This one's really pretty because it kind of looks like an old like little feather quill pin inkwell dill. This one I didn't love. Actually, now I'm thinking I did love it. Why did I say I didn't love it? This one I do think is a little bit more liquidy, whereas some of the other ones were more like, there's a little bit of like a base to it. This one definitely is a little bit more liquidy, but it's still so gorgeous. Like, God help me. This video is going to be a million minutes long, and I don't know what I'm gonna be able to get rid of. These I think were my very first glitter eyeshadows, I think, if I'm not mistaken. This is from a brand called Peri Para, and it is a Korean brand. And I think these were like my very first ones. I think I bought like maybe 5 or 6 of them, and I fell in love, and I'm like, what are these? These are magic. And I'm pretty sure I got these back around maybe like 2015, 2016. This was like before Stila was like really getting in the game, where I definitely think that they kind of popularized this type of product, but they definitely were not the first to do it. So I have a whole bunch of these. Honestly, I got to like kind of check and make sure these are still good. And honestly, a lot of them are, you guys. I'm not gonna be able to get rid of these. Okay, these all have their Korean names on here. I'm not gonna take the time just to like strain my brain, because it has been so long since I've read Korean. I'm not what I used to be. So I'm just gonna kind of like swatch a lot of these. They are like stunning. I feel like some of these definitely have like texture wise changed a little bit, but they're still like, they're still usable. So I think I'm keeping those. Until these are like completely unusable, there's no way I would be getting rid of them. And this one's pretty. It's kind of more of like a flaky one, whereas some of them were more like glitter. That one was really pretty because it was slightly different. However, a lot of these, like you can tell, they have been used and loved, but some of them are starting to get a little dried out. But if they're at all usable, they are staying. Like that one, perfect, beautiful. Love it. This was definitely one of my favorites. This one I think was called Candy Cane. That one is beautiful. Okay, and then these all were different ones in the same line. Gorgeous, still perfect. Oh wow, we have one. We have one that might be on the chopping block. Okay. This one's definitely kind of getting, ooh, I can see it's a little crumbly. Okay, you guys, I have found one. We will let this one go because that is Chunk City. This is one of the Peri Para Sugar Twinkle ones. This one was called Beige Harmony. Unfortunately, that one is Chunk City. So there is one that we can let go. I'm surprised all the other ones are pretty good still. So surprised that that one was not hanging. Okay, and then this one is, that one's still good. This one's kind of on its way out, but that's totally still usable, so that one is staying. Okay, and then to finish off those, they did like a special collection, and these were a set, I think. I don't know if they were set, or maybe I just bought them all together. Let me see if these are still good. Oh no, we've got another chunky one. Okay, we're gonna let this one go. This one is Chunk City as well. This one was Coral something. I can't remember what that one was. That one we will let go. That is unfortunate. This one, I hope this one's not bad. This one looks pretty, but it kind of looks chunky too. Nope, that one's still good. This one is a little bit more of a flaky one to begin with, but that one I would still say is okay. I think this one's called Pink Sparkle. Ooh, that one's getting a little chunky, but still usable. So it just barely squeaked by. And this was like the only large one I could find. The other ones are like quite a bit smaller compared to them. But I did find one that was a larger one. Bulhanenbam? I can't remember what that one was in English. Oh yeah, but that one, gorgeous. Beautiful. That one is staying. These Korean brands were like way before the game when it came to these glitter eyeshadows, so I have so many of them because those were the ones that were on the market for a long time. These are from, I think, Misha, yes, and these were called their Jewel Drop Liquid Shadows. So let's see what these are like. Oh, yep, beautiful, gorgeous, still like the day I first bought it, so those are staying. This one is so pretty. It's like a liquid gold. Oh, like, can you see that? still going strong. This one might be a little chunky. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this one's still usable. You can tell my standards are really, really dropping because I do not want to get rid of these. That one I think I can still totally make work, and that one's just so pretty. I mean, honestly, how many times am I gonna say these are pretty? Okay, this one, oh, beautiful, still good. Love it. Okay, and then all of these are from the brand, I think these are from Apu. These are just called their eye glitters. I think a lot of these are gonna be good. These, I remember being very, very good. So yeah, that one's still good. I would imagine a lot of these to not be dried up, especially with the packaging of these. They just seem to be a little bit better. This one I remember was really pretty, but this one, like, really you have to pack it on because there's not much base color to it. It's kind of just like clear with like really pretty sparkle. All right, this one, just stunning, absolutely stunning. And yes, do I have a million of these that look the same? Yes, I don't care. That one's still good. That one looks like almost exactly like that one. Oh, yeah, I just honestly, I don't have much control when it comes to these products. These are just so pretty. I love them so much. This one is very, very similar to that one there. And that one is good too. That one is like very pretty. Like, that one just almost like glows. This one was from, I think this might have been a different brand. I can't remember, but this one's called the Twinkle Eyeshiner. And I'm running out of place to put these. This one's a little chunky, but still usable. Okay, we can move a bit of these up now. Okay, let's just go on with the Korean ones. These are from Holika, another Korean brand. These are called the Magic Inside Glitter Eyeshadows. These I think would probably still be good as well. Yep, still good. And that one, still good. That one is still good. Like, I could use a different one every single day, and I think I would be pretty good for a few months. That might be like a fun thing to try. Okay, and then these I think were also Korean ones. These are from the brand Etude House, I think. Yes, these are very skinny ones though. These had a matte one and then a glitter one. I remember I didn't love these, but I still want to keep these because I don't have too many matte cream shadows, and this one still seems to be pretty good. Oh yeah. Look, that is like literally the same color as that one. Oh my god. I am nuts. This one, yep, that one's still good. And the matte color here, yep, that one's still good. And this one is like a little bit of a copper one. This one's not as shimmery. Okay, those are all still good. So these I thought would totally be dried up just because they are so skinny, but they're still good. Okay, a few more Korean ones here. These are from Etude House. These are called the Mirrorholic. I'm pretty sure I had like another one of these, but I don't know where it's at. This one, I don't have anything quite like that one. Like that black, yeah, there's nothing I have that's like that one. So that one is truly unique and it's still good. And then this gold one, this one I think was probably still good as well. Yes. Okay, and then these are some mini ones from the Mirrorholic collection. These are, I think these all came in a little set together. That one's a little chunky, still good though. That one is still good. And the last one here, oh yeah, that one's still good too. This one I actually got from YesStyle in PR. This one is from the brand, this one's from McQueen, I think. This one's called the Jewel Potent Eye Glitter. And this one, I remember that one was very pretty as well. There we go. That one's a little more subtle than I remember it, but it is still pretty. Okay, now we're kind of off just to like some little random ones now. This one I think was from Lime Crime. It's called their Diamond Crushers, and this one is in the color Cloud 9. I think this might have actually been a lip product maybe? Or maybe it wasn't, I can't remember. This one's actually getting a little chunky. It's kind of unfortunate. I think I can still make that work though. So that one, we're gonna let that one live another day. This one's actually really pretty. This one's from Ciate. It's called their Eye Luster Cream Shadow, and I don't see a name on this one. I'm pretty sure I got this one from BoxyCharm. This one's really pretty though. It's like a really goldy one. All right, and this one was from Too Faced. This one was from, I think they're Tutti Frutti. It's called Sweet Spot, and this one was like super glittery. Love that one. Okay, these two were from Milani. I got these on clearance from Walmart for $4. I never took these stickers off. These are very, very pretty as well. There's this one's kind of more of like a pinky orangey one, still good. And this one's more of like a blue kind of one. Oh yeah, that one's still good too. Okay, and then these last ones, these three are actually, I think these were a set. These are from Ulta. They're called their Metal Maniac dual-ended ones. So these have some that are a little bit more like a liquid liner almost with a brush. And that's like the more glittery side. And then they've got the little like metallic cream side as well. So that one's still good. This one, oh yeah, that one like almost matches my nails exactly. All right, that one is still good. And this one, okay, the liner side of that one is kind of Chunk City, but the cream shadow side is still good. All right, and this is the very last one. This one, let's see if it's still good. Running out of room. The green looks good. And let's see about this one. This one looks like it's separating just a little bit, but otherwise still looks good. So, okay guys, so that is all of my glitter cream eyeshadows. I am gonna do one take back. Might as well keep this one because the only other ones I'm getting rid of is just these two, and that is because they are dried out and they need to just get thrown out. And then this one is just a repeat one that I have, so that one is going to get given away. I'm sure someone in my family will love that because these are just gorgeous. So yeah, we're down 3, we're up about a million. So that is pretty much it. Like I said, this was not really going to be a declutter for that one because honestly, like look at all these. I have all of these glitter eyeshadows. I cannot help it. I love them. They're my favorite types of things. And I just can't get rid of it just because I have something like it already. So I'm sorry if you were expecting me to declutter anything from this video. There you go. We got 3 declutters. Everything else is staying. I just love these so much and I just can't part with them yet. And if you are looking for some declutters, I have plenty more on my channel for you to watch, so definitely check those out if this wasn't quite your vibe. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.